All right, so like I said, we're going to have several guests throughout the day. Right now, we've got another guest with us. What's your name? Where are you from?
My name is Bryson Robinette. I'm from Geneva, Alabama.
Now, you Tony said you run the big tire class.
Yes, sir.
Tell us a little bit about your machine.
I have a Pro XP. It's cheetah print. I run for PATV. I have all their setup and everything, and I have a built motor and a new tune put on it.
Ooh, yeah. We like horsepower.
Oh, yeah. So, Tony called you the Mud Diva. We got to know where you got that nickname from.
When I was little, I had a little, toy race car, I guess. And
Right.
Mom had a shirt made that said the Mud Diva, so then I just got the name from that.
Right on, yeah. So, as far as you being one of the few females in the big tire, where are you sitting at as far as the championship and points?
I'm sitting at third right now. At the start of the season, I was tied for first, but had a bit of a setback, but we're coming back.
Yeah. So there's actually enough points left on the table for you to win it this weekend?
I can get in second. That's as high as I can get.
Yeah.
But
Yeah. Well, I mean, that's a good goal to set. I mean, for second for the season is not too shabby. Anytime you can get on the podium, it's always a good time.
Anytime you can load it on the trailer,
yeah.
Right.
it's a good time. It makes it even better when you get to take a trophy home.
Yeah. So a question that we've had that we've not asked anybody yet: how do you keep these machines so clean?
My dad.
Okay, so
That's a good answer.
yeah, so Dad does all the work as far as when you get home. As far as working on the machine, does he undertake that as well, or is he
No,
you help him out in the shop?
Mine goes to Destin Andrews. He has a big part into it, as well as the PATV people, Brent Ritchie, Kevin Bird. They help a lot with it. My dad doesn't really know what he's doing. He just knows how to clean it. So.
Hey,
How you got to get in where you fit in.
as long as you got good mechanics somewhere in the line, it don't matter how it gets done or who does it, as long as it's done.
Right. Were you on social media? How can our viewers find you?
I have Facebook and TikTok. It's at the Mud Diva. So.
Okay.
Right on. We'll make sure to get out there and give you a follow. You can look for this is actually going to be a podcast, and then we'll have it out on YouTube probably sometime midweek as well. So hope you have a good day today.
Y'all too.
Get you a trophy or two at the end of the day.
Hopefully, fingers crossed.
Hey,
There you
that's
go.
what it's about. Well, thanks for coming out.
Thank you for having me.
Hopefully we'll get to see you at more of these. We're going to try and start hitting a few more mud events. So we'll look for you.
Thank y'all.
Thanks for coming.